Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can set offset in song trigger in Geometry Dash. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to put a song trigger on the map itself. So you want to click on this option and you want to look for the song trigger. From here, click edit object. And of course, before we modify some settings right here, I'm going to select a song onto my own library. So I'll click on the open library, use this song right here. And then there we have it. We then have our song. Now to set the offset of this specific song trigger, you then want to click on this arrow option. It will then take us to more properties or more options to edit. And basically this is where we can put the offset for this song trigger. So in my case, I'm going to put this specific number, and if we click on the OK button, it will then add the offset in the song trigger itself. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.